Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your login email on Facebook. Now open the app and you'll get an interface like this. Head over to three-line icon that you can find on the top right corner of your screen and head over to settings. Now once here, go ahead to personal and account information and go to contact info. Here you'll be able to add another phone number or another email address. Now first, what you want to do is add an email address and add an additional email address here. Type in your additional email address. I'll just do so quickly. Now, once you type in your email and password, go ahead to add email address and tap on it. Now, what you want to do is remove one of your email, and here go to remove and select remove email, and your email will be removed once you type in your password. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.